Okay, so hey besties. In today's vlog, I'll be doing my hair. So in today's video, I'll be doing my hair. And I spent like the last 3 hours trying to blow my hair out. And look what I got. Look at what I got. So anyway, I had a DoorDash delivery from Sally's to get all the stuff I needed. I'm getting box braids. Small. Yeah, I'll be doing box braids. So I had some oil sheen. I don't use this oil sheen. I actually use the ORS, but we were on a budget, so I got this one. Which, how much even is the ORS one? I don't know. And also this will be my first time trying the Kiss braiding gel. If it'll focus, see. Okay, so this is the maximum hold. I think I wanted the mega hold, I think it was, but they didn't have that one. So I got this one instead. Hopefully it works. But yeah, we got that. Okay, next I got some Lotta Body mousse. This is my favorite mousse. This is the only mousse I use. Okay, I got that. And then I had to get a rat tail comb. Need that. And then I got some spray leave-in conditioner. This is by the company Ion. They're actually good. I never used the leave-in conditioner, but back when I used to like bleach and dye my hair, I used their shampoo and conditioner and their whatchamacallit mask, like to keep your color intact. I forgot what it's called. But then I got 3 packs of this here. It's in the inch 52. This is the Sassy collection. This is my first time using this brand because I got this here from Sally's. I normally go to my other local beauty supply store, but they weren't available on Sally's. I mean, they weren't available on DoorDash, so I had to do what I had to do. So yeah, and 3 bundles come in each pack, and I got 3 packs of these, so 9 bundles in total. And this is in the color True Black. So it's not jet black, but it's not brown, but like it's not jet black either. So it's a natural brown. I mean, it's a natural black. But yeah, and also I don't have my braiding whatchamacallit. Yeah, I don't got my my braiding rack no more. I need another one. I actually need a taller one because I was tired of that one anyway. But yeah, I don't know when I'll be able to get another one. I'll have to get it off of Amazon. But yeah, I'm gonna I'm gonna speed up the clips as I'm braiding my hair. Cause like I said, I already spent like 3 hours. Yeah, it was about 3 hours because it's 4:06 right now. Oh, I didn't tell y'all. Today is March 6th. And it's 4:06 p.m. So yeah, I'm gonna speed up the clips and get down to it because I'm not trying to be up all night doing my head. So hopefully if I get like half of it done, then I could finish half of it tomorrow. So yeah, I pray that's the case because I'm not trying to be up all night and then I'm not trying to spend all weekend doing my hair. Just can't do it because then I got a meeting on Saturday. Yeah, tomorrow at I think like the same time tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna just speed up the clip. Is this thing still on? Okay, but yeah. Okay, so good morning, y'all. Actually, it's not even morning, it's the afternoon. It's March the 7th, and it's 2:43 p.m. I literally only got five hours of sleep this morning because I can't even count it as last night because I didn't go to sleep until 5. But I woke up at 10. Mind y'all, I said I had a meeting today. I had the meeting, but the meeting started at 10 and I didn't wake up till 10. So anyway, once I woke up, like I got right onto it. Like I think I was only like 7 or 10 minutes late, but I went into the meeting and we were there longer than I expected. And then Theo peed in the room, so I had to clean that up. But yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, he peed in the room, so I had to clean that up. And then I had to, clean up around the room. So I didn't even get started for real until like 12. So I was able to finish the back of my hair. I'm gonna try and turn around. I was able to finish like this half part, as y'all can see. But now I gotta do like the middle and then the front. And I need to hurry up because I have to go to Walmart today. I'm not gonna tell y'all what I'm going to Walmart for in this clip. Not this clip, but this video, because I'm actually filming another video, which I started filming back in February. But yeah, so in this video, it's strictly just like my hair maintenance and whatnot. And then in the next video, it'll be like an actual vlog. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all me doing some of the front. Because really, this video probably won't be that long. It'll probably be like maybe 15 minutes. It'll be a short one like the last one was. But the ones after that will be longer. It's just I can't include a lot of things. I can't include a lot of things in this clip because this video because obviously it doesn't pertain to it. So yeah, I'm gonna speed up the clips now to show y'all. I really need to finish this by at least 4, which that might be pushing it, but still, we need to get something done. Even if I just get the front done and not the middle, I could just put it up until a bun. But yeah. March 9th, and it's 2:44 p.m. I just got done dipping the ends, as you can see. But yeah, these are what they're looking like. They're bigger than I wanted them, because I was going to do originally small, but we were running on a tight schedule. But yeah, I just got done. What are you doing? I just got done, so thought to show y'all the process of me like moisturizing it and whatnot. So yeah, I'm gonna speed up the clips right after this. Okay, so this will be the ending of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Today is currently March 10th and it's now 9:45 a.m. So this video should be up later this afternoon. So yeah, it's already completely edited and whatnot. I just had to add this clip as my outro. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Expect the next video to be released next week, because I already have that video filmed. I just got to finish editing it. So yeah, expect that video next week, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm writing songs every night, trying to make it sound right, but I'm losing my patience.